Namaste all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn factorization of algebraic expressions. Let us learn how to factorize a cube minus b cube. It is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now it is equal to a cube minus 3ab into bracket, yes, a minus b and minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, it is equal to a minus b its cube plus 3ab into bracket a minus b. So it is equal to, now a minus b its cube, this can be written as a minus b into a minus b its square and plus 3ab into bracket a minus b. A minus b is common, so a minus b into bracket a minus b its square and plus 3ab. Now it is equal to a minus b into another bracket the square of a minus b, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus 3ab. Now negative 2ab plus 3ab, that is plus ab. So a minus b into another bracket a square plus ab and plus b square are the factors of a cube minus b cube. Remember it well and let us solve further examples based on the factors of a cube minus b cube. So let's solve some examples. Next examples. First example, x cube minus 8y cube. So the cube of x minus the cube of 2y. Now the factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, x minus 2y into another bracket the square of x plus x into 2y and plus the square of y. It is equal to x minus 2y into another bracket x square plus, now product of x into 2y, that is 2xy, and plus square of 2y, that is 4y square. So that are the factors of x cube minus 8y cube. Okay. Next example. Example is 27p cube minus 125q cube. So 27p cube is the cube of 3p and minus 125q cube is cube of 5 cube. So factors are 3p minus 5q into another bracket square of 3p plus 3p into 5q and plus square of 5q. It is equal to 3p minus 5q and into another bracket square of 3p, that is 9p square and plus 15pq plus 25q square. So these are the factors of given algebraic expression 27p cube minus 125q cube. Okay. Now next, that is third example, a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Now express it in the form of a cube minus b cube. So cube of a minus cube of 1 upon a. It is equal to a minus 1 upon a into another bracket the square of a plus a into 1 upon a plus square of 1 upon a. So it is equal to a minus 1 upon a into another bracket a square plus, now a into 1 upon a, that is 1, plus 1 upon a square, that is 1 upon a square. So these are the factors of a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Okay, now next we have to solve fourth example, and fourth example is, yes, 54 p cube minus 250 q cube. Let us take 2 as a common factor. 2 into bracket 27 p cube minus 125 q cube. So it is equal to 2 into bracket cube of 3p minus cube of 5 cube. Now factorize cube of 3p minus cube of 5 cube. So 2 into bracket 3p minus 5 cube into another bracket square of 3p plus 3p into 5 cube and plus square of 5 cube. It is equal to 2 into 3p minus 5 cube into 9p square plus 15p cube and plus 25q square. These are the factors of given algebraic expression 54p cube minus 250q cube. Okay, I hope that you all understand the explained examples. Thank you.